Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the saddle and hardware for any cuts, frays, or corrosion. Safety first. Once done, put your harness on and slide the saddle up to sit on your hip bones so you can move freely. Next, clip the primary locking carabiner into the saddle's dedicated loop and face the gate away from the trunk to reduce snagging. This prevents accidental loading and keeps the system aligned as you begin weight transfer. You now transfer your weight carefully into the saddle. Hold a secure handline, sit back deliberately, and keep your feet braced to control descent. As you settle, clip or tie the secondary tether or foot loop to the tree at the manufacturer's suggested length. Markings guide the correct geometry. Make small adjustments to saddle tilt and leg straps so the load distributes evenly across hips and thighs. This reduces pressure points. You conclude by setting up redundant backups. Lock off the lanyard, clip a personal safety anchor, and confirm every connector is locked. Once secure, move between work points with short, controlled shifts. Avoid sudden swings that twist the saddle or load lines. When finished, transfer weight back to the ground safely, unclip in the reverse order, and inspect the saddle for wear, clean, and store it dry. If you notice unexpected slippage, stop and ready both webbing and anchor connections before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.